What the heck? So I was here doing some working out with my dad and my sister. Well, my sister's just running somewhere. And my dad and I are playing a bit of basketball. But look what I found. I found this. I know like kids have basketball practices on like Fridays. But do you think they like drew it? Like, I don't know if you're even allowed to do this. If this isn't even your place. I don't know if you can do this without permission. I don't know. This looks like something kids would draw. Maybe the basketball teacher will let them do it. Maybe or maybe not. I don't know. Well, that's the only thing I have to say.